Alright, relax now, completely relax. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, and as I guide you, just observe in your body whatever changes in terms of energy or any vibration you feel as I guide you through different parts of your body. And after my observation, you will share with me what vibrations you have felt. Okay, so whatever I am guiding, your attention should be on that part of the body. So first of all, focus your attention on your face region and look at the vibration of energy. You don't need to open your eyes. You just need to keep on listening. Okay. Yes. So focus your attention on your third eye and see whether there is any strong vibration of energy around your forehead. And slowly, if you feel that the intensity of energy is too much in your head region, then just observe it, the intensity of energy. And on top of your head also, you can observe. Yes. Slowly, slowly, slowly move your attention towards the back of your head and pay attention to your neck region. Slowly move down your body along the spine, move down and see till the tailbone. If you have any vibration at the back of your heart chakra, at the back of your chest, your spinal cord, and as I can diagnose, you have more vibration in your third eye than any other region. It is more in the third eye region, concentrated, and it's like pulsating vibration, pinching vibration in your third eye, more in your third eye. Now pay attention to your front body. In your chest region, do you feel any congestion of energy in your heart chakra? Certain kind of blockages or certain kind of thumping vibration, energy trying to come out, or some kind of freedom it is experiencing or trying for a freedom nearby, that kind of vibration if you're feeling. And some congestion in your abdominal region, diaphragm, along your pelvic region. There are lower energies are too much aggravated in you, and those are actually pulling you down. Some energies are pulling you down and not allowing the energy to move up. Yes, if you have observed, then now you can open your eyes and slowly share with me whatever you have observed. Correct. Here it is too much. Correct. Yes, heart chakra, correct. Correct. Here there is too much of blockage. So primarily, if you are not aware of it, then I am letting you know that you are going through Kundalini Awakening, and Kundalini is mostly blocked in your this region. So I can help you through. I will guide you towards the steps. But first of all, for this session, this is your first session. So I want to know from you if you have any specific questions about your journey. 2 questions you can ask. Alright, so what's your age and how long you have been married? 38. Alright. So is your relationship with your partner alright and your daughter is alright? Means that is, or you are facing difficulty with the challenges concerning them also? Means, yes. So are you getting into arguments with your partner? What kind of, means energetic challenges, or it is connected to financial challenges or other things? Means I just want to know so that I can guide you through. Alright. Okay, so I'll guide you through. First thing is that I can heal you from this stage, and first thing is that there is a lot of blockages in the heart chakra and I can move Kundalini, but you have to go through the process, okay? And here it will take at least 100 days of time, means almost 3 months of time for this energy to move with my presence. So what I guide you is, in the coming days, my team will share with you Freedom Project for this particular issue. Freedom Project will be designed for this particular Kundalini movement, And every week, 30 minutes of session, energy transmission session, quantum field transformation. There are many things with my powers that I do to move your Kundalini. And at the same time, certain actions in life also, I will guide you. For example, if you are not able to do anything, right now what you need to do, I will give you in the next 5 to 7 minutes a short, very mini session to calm your energy. And if that happens, then I will guide you that go for a 30-minute session immediately, means in 1 or 2 days I will schedule it. First, take that 30 minutes of session. If you are seeing changes in you and improvements in even on micro level, if you are seeing that my energy is becoming peaceful, calmer, and I am able to take steps, then I will guide that. Be with me for 100 days and go with the Freedom Project, and let's pass this phase very well. Means it is like you should be, your energy should be responding to my powers. That is what is required.